Hello my dear friends, welcome to the SpinorApps channel. In this video, I'm going to talk about the text widget and its most important properties in Flutter. The text widget displays a string of text with single style. The string might break across multiple lines or might all be displayed on the same line depending on the layout constraints. The following are the essential properties of the text widget. TextAlign. It is used to specify how our text is aligned horizontally. It also controls the text location. TextDirection. It is used to determine how TextAlign values control the layout of our text. Usually, we write text from left to right, but we can change it using this parameter. MaxLines. It is used to determine the maximum number of lines displayed in the text widget. Style. It is the most common property of this widget that allows developers to styling their text. It can do styling by specifying the foreground and background color, font size, font weight, letter and word spacing, locale, shadows, etc. Let's go to Visual Studio Code software. I have already prepared a simple code. I have created a scaffold inside the Material app. First of all, I disable the banner at the top right of the screen. I want to create a text in the body of the scaffold. Using center widgets, I bring the text to the center of the page. This is a fairly simple text. I want to style it. To do this, I use property style. I can specify the font size. I can set the color of the text. I can set the font weight. I can set the font style. I can set the background color of the text. I can determine all these things through style. There are many other style properties. To get acquainted with them, you can go to the Flutter website. Now I want to use TextAlign. Before that I have to define a container so you can see how it works. Do not worry. In the next videos I will talk about the color widget and container widget. Now I want to use TextAlign. I can also use property TextDirection. These were some part of text widget properties. For more properties of text widget, you can visit the Flutter website. In the following video, we will talk about color widget in Flutter app. Very good, dear friends, if you find this video helpful, please like the video, subscribe SpinorApps channel, and press the bells icon for the next videos. Thank you very much.